Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today my jollof waakye is popping with yumminess, Tbs Sweet Adjeley seasoning. I know a lot of you here knows who Sweet Adjeley is on this YouTube street and Facebook for her amazing recipes. She has her own seasoning too, which is Sweet Adjeley all-purpose seasoning and Sweet Adjeley Kelewele seasoning. I used it in my recipe today and I love it. So I'm going to leave the details of where you can get one wherever you are in US. Give them a contact and you can get yourself some Sweet Adjeley seasoning. Congratulations once again, my sweetie things. May the Almighty bless your work, bless your hand, and bless your heart. Anyway, as I always say, no long talk biao. EB2. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to steam my meat with some diced onion, garlic, and then I will add in my Sweet Adjeley all-purpose seasoning to my chicken. I'll now add in some quarter of stock cube. Give it a stir and then add salt to taste and then a bit of water. I'll stir and cover it to let it steam for about 10 minutes and then check the rest of my ingredients. I have here rice, cooked black-eyed beans, diced onion. I have canned chopped tomato and then canned tuna, but you can use fresh tomato. Then I have tomato puree and then stock cube and salt to taste. I'm going to check my meat is done. Now I'm going to fry it. I'm going to fry the chicken till it's golden. My meat is done. I'm going to take it out. Now I'll add in my diced onion. Let it fry for about 2 minutes and then add my tomato puree or tomato paste. Give it a stir and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then add in my canned chopped tomatoes. You can blend your tomato if you like. I'll give it a stir and let it cook for about 3 minutes. I'll now add in just a tiny bit of chopped scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'll add in my Sweet Adjeley Kelewele seasoning. I like the spices in this one. Then add in some stock cube. Give it a stir. I'll now add in my canned tuna. Now I'm going to add in the stock I got from my chicken. I'll give it a stir and then add the chicken to my stew so that the chicken will soak in some of the stew. The stew is smelling amazing. I will let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now my chicken has soaked in some of the stew. I'll take it out with some of the stew so I can serve it with the jollof waakye later. Now I'm going to add in water. I'll stir it and then cover it to let it boil. Now my water is boiling. I'm adding my washed rice to it. Normally I add the rice and then add the beans too together. But today I overcooked my beans, so I'll add it later. I'm going to cover it to let it cook. Now I'm going to check the rice and then gently stir it. I'll cover it to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in my cooked beans. I'll give it a stir and make sure I share the beans equally with the rice. I will cover it with foil and then lower the heat to let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. Now it's 10 minutes now. I'm going to check. My rice is done. It's cooked nicely. Smells amazing. And I hope you will try this recipe and you will love it. Said the details and contact of where you can get yourself some sweet Adjeley seasoning is in my description box below. For those of you who live in US, anywhere in US, give them a contact to get yourself some sweet Adjeley seasoning so that your kitchen will be smelling sweet tins. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.